Alright guys, today we're going to be playing Subway Surfer, and as you know, I changed my channel name and my logo, so from now on I'll be Cobra Games. I'll still do comedy videos, well, comedy, whatever. It's not that funny, like I'm not that funny, but that's like, you can just, I don't think 65-year-olds do this. I don't care. This may look like I'm new to Subway Surfers, but no, I have been playing Subway Surfers a long time, just not on this phone that I have right now. Okay, yeah. So yeah, I'm pretty much a pro at Subway Surfers. Not really. I'm not really good at the game. But yeah, I'm Cobra Games, and yeah, I'll still be doing gaming videos, but I will also do comedy, like skits, like weird, stupid skits, you know? Next minute. As you can see in my pro, I get every coin. I used to have like a lot of skins, like on my old phone. I had like the robot skin, and I had the other version of this guy. I forgot. Does he have a name? Like, but yeah, So yeah, if you guys have like any challenges for Subway Surfers, like only rolling, or like only rolling and jumping, because you have to jump, but like only rolling challenge, like I think that'd be fun. And just like there's weird challenges for like video games, and just like maybe PUBG, PUBG, and like Roblox, because like I really don't know how to do like, I don't have a PC, and I don't really know how to upload videos from my Xbox. Yeah, I'm an Xbox gamer. Well, I'm not gonna watch an ad. I don't want to give this company money, because they probably have. If I am correct, looking to my, I think it's kind of cool how they have like a different state. Like, is it a different country of like every month? I really forgot, but hold on. Me, and then, whoa. It's kind of like a battle pass. Yeah, I know. Fortnite. I really don't play Fortnite anymore. Wait, is this only in it? Wait, did I see it? Oh yeah, Boombot's cool, cause like, yeah, I had the dark out. No, I had the one I had was this. Yeah, the one I had that was a star outfit, cause I had the, yeah. I really want the Miss Maya skin. Yeah, it's new, right? Yeah, it's new. And then Brody. The skins I want most is Ninja, like the flame outfit, because I think it looks weird and funny. I want Ninja, and like they added a new style to Utani. I don't know how to say. That's cool. Zoe, okay, yeah. Speed outfit. I think it's cool how it's not just recolors. Well, some of them are, but yeah, it's not the only person who really has recolors. Tom Brady. I won the Super Bowl. Oh God, Frank is terrifying. Frank is terrifying, especially in the clown. Have we ever seen his face though? Oh yeah, I had Tagbot and the space outfit, and I always wanted the toy outfit. And I want King, but he's like, oh, no, I need to get King. But yeah, wait, Ninja is more expensive than Tagbot. Wow. I won the Super Bowl. Let's see. No. Oh, it's just a teleporter. Superhero. Zip, 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 zip. Carry, characters. You have to. Let's. I think you should be able to unlock the characters though. Yeah. Let's see. What did I get? Okay. I don't know what that is, but now I'm edgy. Well, my character is edgy, and I'm gonna try to get coins to try to unlock Tagbot in this video. Because I've never unlocked a character in like one sitting of this game. Why did I say sitting like that? Like a meal. I'm gonna get every coin that I see. I think the best way to get coins is to get like the what's it called? The pogo stick, if that's what it's called, or like either get the pogo stick. I had to go for the letter. I don't know what it does, but like I have to. I like how they don't really have any ads on this game. Like it's like Stick With It, that game that the YouTuber made. The only way you really get ads, like you have ads are like used, or like if you like choose to like, oh, do you want this? Watch an ad, which is kind of cool because like you don't have ads every 5 seconds. Like Subway Surfer and like Stick With It are like the best mobile games. I don't. This is like a Hermione. What? I swiped up. Bro, I have 5 keys. Snape, Harry Potter. Snape, Harry Potter. What does that star do? What did that star do? So yeah, I'm Cobra Games now. I'm no longer Toasty Boy. And if you're an OG, you remember when I was Unfunny Tree. So yeah. Just if you're an OG, like if you've been watching since the beginning, tell me in the comments if you like remember when my channel was called Unfunny Tree. I doubt anyone was, but like, you know, tell me in the comments. Tell me in the comments if you've been watching since the Unfunny Tree phase, which yeah, I think that describes my channel, Unfunny Tree. Oh yeah, that's what the letters give you. Boom. I'm going to try to get 1,000 coins in one video. I always used to think the 2 times gives you like 2 times coins, but then I realized it doesn't, and it gives you like 2 times score. This is a lot of coins. Okay, that wasn't... Okay, yeah. No high score, no. Ooh, money. Oh, money, I like money. I might unlock Tagbot in this video. This video is over now. As y'all can see from when I was selecting my age, I am 65. And yeah, I am 65 years old. And I play Subway Surfers on YouTube. And I am obviously, like, yeah, I'm 65. Well, I'm 65 plus, so I'm over 65 years old. And I have a YouTube account. So, oh, awesome. Awesome. Wow. That's a Hamilton reference. It is a JoJo reference. I hate JoJo fans. Sorry if you're a JoJo fan. But the jokes are just not funny. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Ba-da-da-da. Na-na-na-na-na-na. 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 Huh? Oh, yeah. I'll use a key. Oh gosh, that hurt. I don't know what to say. I like wasting keys. Wow, I have a lot of coins. When did it start to like get faster? That must hurt. That must have hurt. That must have hurt. I literally bonked. I went bonk, bing, bonk. It's like meeting the scout. Bonk. So, if y'all are wondering, I will do. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I will do meme reveal. I'll show off some memes I made at like 50 subs. 50 subs. I don't know how to grow my channel, so if y'all guys have any suggestions how to grow your channel, plop them in the comments, and I'll probably, once I have enough watch time and I get ads, I'll probably hire an editor, but I don't know. Okay, that's impossible to get. Ooh, one key. That's awesome. Yeet. A yoink, a yoink, a yoink, a yoink, a yoink. Huh? Okay. Row, 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 row. I'm not Mike. I might make a PUBG video later today, maybe Roblox. Might play some Xbox games. Might play Bioshock. Nah, no, I'm not gonna play Bioshock. But like, if y'all have any like, oh, I'm using my last key. It's official. I have used my last key, and I. Well, that's not fair. So that's not fair. 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 This video is over now. Over now. Ba-da-da. The video is over now. Over now. This video is over now. Over now. Oh, y'all just saw me deleting some videos. Oh god, I hope those weren't like major videos on my channel. So my video, like I made a video at my zoo with my friends. Like, I don't really listen to my friend that much. He just tagged along. I don't really know him. We saw the Komodo dragon and we're like, Komodo dragon, cool. And it has 98 views. Tell me why does this have 98? Why does that video have 98 views? That's literally my most viewed video, and it's literally just me and like I think one of my friends saying, "Whoa, it's a Komodo dragon." That doesn't deserve. That's literally more subscribers than I have and probably ever will have on a video. That's just me and some kid saying, "Wow, that's so cool, it's a Komodo dragon." That doesn't deserve this many views. So I think I might end it here, guys. This is a 17-minute video. I don't know if you're going to watch. But yeah.